Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Here are some important tips to look your handwriting more beautiful. Avoid these mistakes to improve your handwriting. Write slowly and practice. Alphabet has to be aligned with similar distance and straight slanted angles. You have to don't write like this. Write like the same slanted and straight. You have to practice basic strokes. Video in my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. The second big mistakes our beginners do is don't writing in straight and same size of letter. Write like this in same size and practice daily to improve handwriting. Thank you to watching the video.